Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a photo collage on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. Now we need to go to the app library and we're going to search for the built-in app called Shortcuts. Now, the Shortcuts app is an app that's pre-installed on your iPhone and allows us to create that collage in there. Now, within here, you're going to tap on the plus at the top right. Make sure you're at the library as well. And from here, you can see new shortcut, but let's create a name for this or rename it so that we know what this does. Let's just name this photo collage. And now, after we've done that, we're going to search for some actions. The first thing we need to do is select which photos need to be in that collage. So I'm going to search for select here and then tap on select photos. But instead of just the default, I need to tap the drop-down arrow and include to select multiple because we want to include multiple different photos in that collage. The next thing we need to do is to combine them into collage. So on search, I'm going to type in combine images here and tap on that. Now I can tap on horizontally and choose this to be vertical or in a grid. If I tap the little drop-down arrow, I can also choose to have spacing in here. The next thing we need to do and the final thing is to save it back to your photos within the shortcut. So let's tap on search actions and we're going to hit save or search for save and tap save to photos. Now it will combine these images and save it to my recents. Now the next thing you can do is tap the drop-down arrow at the top and you can choose to add it to your home screen and then tap on add. Now the nice thing is it's on my home screen. All I need to do is tap on it, it will immediately pop up with all these photos. This next step is where you choose which photos you want to combine into the collage. So I'm going to select these photos and hit the check mark. You'll be able to see at the very top it has a little check mark indicating that it has already done it. I can head back into the Photos app and just like that, you can see here's the collage of all of these random photos that I've created into a grid. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. Thanks.